I wasn't very well. Bad times, good times, lift off. Punctuation. This is a letter written to Mr. Dave Watson. It's from Yasser's mother. We will write the letter on the right and we will correct the punctuation mistakes. For example, in the beginning, Dear Mr. Watson, dear is with a small d, Mr. small m and no full stop, Watson capital W, capital A, capital T. We write it like this: Dear, capital D, Mr. capital M, full stop, Watson with a capital W. This is the letter after the correction. Yasser, the beginning of a sentence, capital Y. Yasser was ill on Monday, capital M, and Tuesday, capital T, because they're days of the week, with a bad stomach ache, toothache, and headache. New sentence, so we begin with he. He is fine now. Mrs. Nora, Salim, all in capital letters. Yasser's mother, all of these in capital because they're names. Now order the words and write the questions. Okay? He in class was yesterday. Was he in class yesterday? Question mark. Capital W for the first word. Number 2, you, were yesterday. Where were you yesterday? Capital W and a question mark. Was he, where, Saturday on? Where was he on Saturday? Capital W, capital S for Saturday and question mark. 4, they, why, late, were. Why were they late? Capital W and question mark. 5, geography, when, class, was, the. Capital W, capital G for geography, a school subject, and question mark. Okay, now here we have Mr. Dave Watson, Rakan and Yasser. Listen to the conversation and answer, what is the class studying?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, teacher.
And good evening, Yasser. Where were you yesterday? You weren't in class.
I know, teacher. I'm sorry. I wasn't very well. I was at home, in bed.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you better this evening?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
What are we doing today, teacher?
Today, Rakan, we're studying the past tense in English. The past tense of to be. But I think Yasser knows it.
Okay, so what is the class studying? They are studying the past tense in English. B. Choose the correct word. Yasser was or wasn't in class yesterday. Wasn't. He was or wasn't at home. Was. Yasser wasn't in class yesterday. He was at home. In this video, we listened for information, we answered the questions, and we rewrote the sentences.